Hey guys, River Lily here. So today we're going to show you the Kit Cat Klock, which is rated as top 100 gifts. And we're going to open it up and see if it's really worth being called top 100 gifts. Alright guys, so this is the Kit Cat Klock. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you how to put it together. And we will see if it is really one of the top 100 gifts of the last 100 years, which I've really wanted one of these for a long time. I like kitschy and vintage stuff, and my husband was decent enough to get it for me. So you want to open it up. There's a quick overview of the instructions, a card thanking you for your purchase, the instruction booklet. You want to make sure when you open up the instruction booklet you find your clock, because there is instructions for all of the clocks. Mine is this model, so I'm using 2C batteries. Let's pull it out of the box gently. I have a tendency of breaking stuff when I'm trying to put it together, at least while I'm on camera here. Your tail, it has hooks. Flip him over. On the bottom, there's a push in and up tab. You're going to want to grab that. Push in, push up, pull off. This is where your batteries go. I'm using 2C batteries, so the positives go towards the top on both batteries. Take your tail. Where the hooks are, it's going to go just like this, and then you're going to pull down on it, and then you're going to put your back on. So line up the back, snap it down. Adjust my camera so I can show you how to do this. So it says when you wag the tail, the eyes and tail will move. We are moving. We are ticking. So far, so good. So now I want to set the clock before hanging it up. And I'm going to angle this down again. Instructions on how to set the clock. Set the time by moving the minute long hand only. Moving hour hand will break the clock. It is 1:56. So this is the minute hand. Round and round we go. To there. Alright, so now I'm going to hang this up on the wall, and then I'm going to show you how it's working. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the clock is on the wall, the eyes are moving, the tail is wagging. I'm very happy with this item, and I think it would make a great gift for anybody who likes anything vintage, nostalgic, maybe even, or kitschy. So yeah, this has been River Lily putting together the Kit Cat Klock. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.